Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you guys are all doing good out there. So gonna do a quick video on NIO. Basically, uh, as we see this 1 month chart, it's up a crazy 71.08% this past month, right? So that's completely insane. So I'll go over exactly why it's been up and why it had a pretty bad day today, right? So before I get into it, just want to ask you guys, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, just want to let you know I'm not an investment or financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys. So basically, NIO, not gonna lie, it's actually one of my favorite stocks this past month. As you might know, why I like it, because I actually made some plays on it. So I actually had a quick day trade that I'll show you guys. Had a day trade on, I believe, Monday it was. Yeah, so just had one call. That's how much I sold it for. But yeah, right here. So I had a few calls. Yeah, so I made basically about, I remember I made about $250, just a quick day trade. But apart from that, I actually had some put credit spreads, right? So I made a few $100s on that too. So NIO's been good to me. I actually traded NIO this past month, so I kind of rode that wave that we saw on this 1 month chart, right? So the reason it's been going up so much is because it's been compared to Tesla, right? So it was compared to Tesla a few months back when it was around $7, and ever since it's been really on a uptrend, trying to basically well, it has been attracting a lot of investors, and mostly retail investors, because they really think it's going to be the next Tesla, which it may be one day, right? Maybe not in the short term, but in years to come it may compete with Tesla in in the Asian market perhaps, right? So but I do think as of right now, NIO is not on that level, right? So realistically, NIO sells about 5,000 vehicles per month, right? Where its competitors in that space are selling about 1 million vehicles per month. So you can see that's a big difference. So this price may not be justified. Even the 43.66 price is, in my opinion, it's probably not. It's definitely overvalued right now, right? So, and there's analysts out there that are saying the new target price for NIO is around $25, which is almost half, and 50% on the downside, right? So that's pretty insane. So I do think it has been overbought. It may lose some some steam down, going down a few more dollars, or maybe even going down like maybe 15% more, just around the mid 35s. Around mid $35, $38. I think that's where it's going to be in the next few weeks. And if that's the case, I may actually pick up some shares for the long term. I actually was selling a put on this as well. I was selling a $41 put, and ended up getting out of that for about an 80% profit. So I've traded NIO a lot this past week. I'll probably hold off on trading NIO unless it really drops. Then I'll go ahead and pick up some shares. So that's what happened to NIO this past month. That's what happened to NIO today. Basically had a sell-off, right? So investors were just taking their money, and it's never wrong to go ahead and take your profits and play another trade. So let me know what you guys think about NIO. Do you agree with the new target price of $25? Do you think it's going to continue the crazy 2,000% increase that it's had this past year, or is it going to continue to lose steam? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thanks for watching.